สวัสดีค่ะ Nice to see you again. I hope you like my video. Hope so. Cross the finger.
Okay, so
So
we're here again today with Chef Salina, and I've made a challenge tonight to make me a dish with no sugar.
Yeah.
So this is what we're gonna do.
it's very easy. Fish with black pepper. This is the sea bass. They always smile with me. Fish, and then we do the black peppercorn here with garlic. And then we will break him like here. Yeah, my staff will do this later. And then now we do the fillet fish here. Okay. Okay, you see, no bones.
Perfect.
Yeah, and then we make like this. I don't like to eat bones. That's why all my customer no need to eat the bones too. And then we make this. We go to deep fry. And another way, we do also another side here. You see? Okay.
Mortar and pestle.
Yeah, you see? It's the both side.
Oh, you did a great job.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay, we take this and then we look our animal. Sorry, have to wash my hand every time. Okay, we do the same. Same, we don't need the bones here. See, we cut 45 here. We not cut straight in. We cut like this.
And why is that?
Yeah, because it's very easy when you eat, and then it make the fish is not harder when you deep fry. Yes, this is the trick. I hope so. Okay, we have to fry inside. Yeah, my staff gonna be fried after I learn them how to do. Okay, Jay.
Okay.
And then another dishes, I will make the chicken masaman.
Okay.
And then chicken cashew nut.
I like
Yeah.
masaman curry.
Yeah, this is the curry. It's already mixed. So sorry. When you come here, I forgot carrot and onion. And then cashew nut.
So what makes masaman different than the other curries? What are the ingredients?
The ingredient is, you see here, we have to cook them. It's for the ingredient we have about many. You have to come to learn once time to make the curry place.
Okay.
Because this my curry place are different than another restaurant. It's all is the
Yeah,
homemade.
yours is better.
Yeah. Thank you very much. And now we let them boil here. Okay. With the gas. Okay. Yeah, take care. Now we make to cut the chicken. Okay. We have to make it balanced first, and then we do like this and cut the chicken with the line.
Okay.
Yeah. In this trick, my chicken is not too thick. Very
Perfect.
thick, and then very nice line and so soft when you eat. It's very easy. Here. See?
These are green onions.
Yeah, green onion. This is the bell pepper.
Pepper.
This is the chicken.
Okay.
Every
Yellow
time,
pepper.
every time I cut straight.
Okay,
direct cut. Yeah.
You have all three colors of bell pepper. You have red, yellow, and green. Doing it here now.
Now I do the chicken cashew nut.
Cashew nuts.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're doing two different chicken dishes: masaman curry.
Yeah, and then
And
chicken cashew nut. Yeah.
And the chicken cashew is stir fried.
Yeah.
And the masaman is
Yeah.
curry.
Okay, okay. I don't want to stir fry it a little bit, not too oily. That's why a little bit of oil and then water. That's why my chicken is not the harder. It's so soft when you bite. And we add also to the carrot and onion. Here, we add it in. And then green pepper, yellow pepper, and then red pepper.
Okay, and this is all for the stir fry.
Yeah. And then the heart is cashew nuts. Here.
Are they raw or cooked?
It's cooked. Yeah, you can taste some, Jay. If you like, yeah, you taste. We do like, how we can say, we do roast. We make everyday cashew nuts. And then everything the same.
Yeah.
Here.
What is this powder?
This is powder, garlic powder and onion powder.
Garlic and onion mix?
Yeah. And then fish sauce, soy sauce, oyster sauce.
What is the second sauce?
This one, oyster.
Oyster
Yeah,
sauce.
dark
The
oyster.
last
The last one is oyster sauce. Oyster sauce.
one? Okay.
Yeah. And now we back to this. We back to the masaman. Okay, we add the chicken. Now we make also the green curry.
Oh, green curry too.
Yeah, green curry chicken. Okay. The same like we have before. Here, the eggplant. Yes. Okay, I have to clean him first. Okay, like this. All the same, but not much sugar, you know, because for me it's all is nature. I don't want to add some chemical in. But Thai food always with a little bit of sugar. And now I add the coconut milk. It's not my sponsor yet, but I love this brand. I don't know how. Okay, and then we let them boil. The same.
What are we doing now?
Chicken cashew nut is ready.
Ah.
See, ah.
Oh, looks delicious.
Yeah.
Cashew nut.
Yeah, that's why I have many, how we can say, the heat to
Everything's
cook.
cooking at the
Yeah,
same time.
yeah. Because one chef standing, every menu pass only one person. That's why. And then this one also ready. Here, you see. Now it's primary school.
Next time I come, I'm going to get masaman.
Yeah, can be with beef, also good.
I don't eat meat.
Oh, beef? No beef? Okay.
Beef or
Maybe you eat shrimp or chicken. You eat chicken?
chicken and shrimp.
Okay. Yes. But masaman good with chicken.
Yes.
I try with shrimp, but you know, it's not go together.
Yeah, the chicken
Sometimes.
has a lot of flavor.
Yeah.
And now we're going to do the fish.
Yeah.
Okay.
You see here. And ขอข้าวผัดด้วยนะจ๊ะ The fish, we need this, the pepper, black pepper, and now hot enough to let them a little bit. Here. Now you smell. So good smell, Jay. We add it here. Okay. Now you smell like good smell. And we cook at the same time because fried rice with vegetable. Fried rice with vegetable.
Okay.
Yeah. And then here, black pepper. All the same, but I put here. Here the same. Here. What you call in English, but here we call snow pea.
Snow peas.
Yeah, here we call snow pea. Here, and then we put a little bit water, and then
Yeah, your food is never greasy.
yeah, it is more healthy. You know, if you have much more oily every restaurant, maybe one restaurant should be less oily. You know, it's good for your healthy.
Yeah.
And now I don't put anything else. For that's only the powder,
Yeah.
garlic and onion.
Okay.
Here, nothing else.
Nothing else.
Yeah,
Okay.
because you don't add the sugar. I
Right.
don't need all the flavor, but I need the nature flavor from vegetable. The sweet I get from here.
Yeah.
You see, sweet and then smooth and then a little bit spicy here, and then keep you more flavor. The black peppercorn and garlic bread.
Okay.
Yeah. And now we wait to them boil. And now we wait them and we can cook the rice, vegetable rice. Here. My rice have to be on fridge. It's the new rice. It's the cooked rice, everyday rice. But I put in the normal chill three together because when you stir fry, it's more. They they take more flavor from the rice and get not too much oily. Yeah. See? When you have sugar, you have to add everything at all or in. Okay.
Okay. Here's
Now it's fish. อาลูใส่ใบโหระพายังไม่ถึงนะเจ Now you have to taste. That's
okay.
only the plain sauce.
Okay. And okay.
Here.
Let me taste.
Okay. Hot นะ
Oh wow, that has a lot of
You
flavor.
see? Sugar.
No sugar.
But can be taste good too.
Yeah.
If you have good ingredient, it's so perfect. And you see, Jay, we don't, when we add the fish in,
There's
No
no
heat.
heat. No heat.
yeah,
Because the fish is already cooked.
yes, no heat, we just soft and smooth to make it. And
Okay, and here comes the dish.
Come.
Fantastic.
Okay, enjoy your meal.
Thank
And
you.
then some steamed rice as well here.
If you like this video and others from 105-Minute Meals, please subscribe. Hit the like button and hit the bell button so that you get notifications when we come out with new videos. Pura vida from Costa Rica.